Sa pinakamamahal naming nanay at lola mula dito sa Los Angeles, California. Pinararating namin ang aming taus-pusong pagbati para sa iyong ika-70 birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Thank the Lord for giving it to us as a mother, and we would like to thank you also for all the sacrifices that you have gone through in raising us up. And we wouldn't be where we are if not for all your love and wish and prayer that God will continue to give you more strength and good health and many more years of dedicated service, not only to us but also to all the students.
Happy birthday, Nanay! I just want to tell you that I'm so proud to share to everyone that I have the best mother-in-law, a very supportive and loving one. My prayer is that the Lord will give you good health and long life.
I got to say happy birthday to you, Nanay. Happiness. Hello guys, I'm gonna sing happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Lola. Happy birthday.
We're going to sing happy birthday. Ready, Tingy?
No.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, blah, blah.
I love you, Lola.
I love you, blah, blah, blah.
We miss you, Lola.
We miss you, blah, blah, blah.